It is your girl Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today's palette that I'm gonna do a swatch and a first impressions on. I'm like super excited. This is literally one of my favorite movies of all time, if not my favorite. Okay. Okay, so the palette for today is the Clueless palette. Oh, hell no. Okay, so what just happened, you guys? Let me just show you guys really quick. This is what the palette looks like right here, and it has a big mirror on the back. But right here, when I opened it up, when I got it from shipping and opened it up, this shade called Mr. Hall was literally almost falling out, and I did right away kind of go on their website and check out you know, the palette and stuff like that once again. And then I did see actually on their promo footage that this Mr. Hall shade was like cracked and almost falling out in their actual promo footage. So I don't know what's going on, Mr. Hall. I don't know why it wasn't pressed good enough, because obviously this is a thing if I actually saw it in their video. This is what Mr. Hall looks like. I'm like scraping it off my pants. This is it. This is it right here. Mr. Hall. So that's what happened with that shade, but we're just gonna jump right ahead and move on to the rest and see what this palette has in store. So these are the shades, you guys. This palette retails for $30. I got it pretty much like one of those ads on Instagram. They know that you like want something, they keep putting the ad in your face. And I was like, okay, I'll get the palette. So this company, I guess it's called Enchantis. But I did see like 2 other companies that had this palette, this same palette that was like selling the same palette. So I don't understand. I don't know, you know, who's who or what's what, but this is it. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 shades. That's actually bomb. 30 shades for $30. Okay guys, so let's jump into this swatching. The first shade that I'm going to swatch is called Dion. They're pretty pigmented. I feel like they are, at least. Okay, so that's the first shade. And then the next shade that we're gonna take is called Amber. This is very, very light on my skin. Amber. Okay. The next shade that we're gonna take is called Josh. And then the next shade that we're gonna take is Totally. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but they do have lots of glitter shades in here too. That's Totally. And then they've got a blue shade in here called Platforms. Ooh, this blue though. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then I'm going to do a infamous line. This one's called Oops, My Bad. It's like a glittery blue. And I want to do like one more shade. I think I'm going to go ahead and do Buggin'. This is brighter, like a more watermelon color, I would say, than Dion. But so anyways, you guys, these are bomb colors. I'm just ready to jump right in. I'm ready to create a look. I'm ready to keep it moving. Stick around. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna start with the shade called Josh right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it there. Okay. Now this kind of reminds me of the Jeffree Star palette, the Blood Sugar palette, just because it sits really softly. I can see that already. But there is a lot of fallout. A lot of fallout right here. I mean, it's happening as we're speaking. So wash out. I love this shade actually. It's so pretty. It's perfect for brown girls. Yes, Miss Clueless. Hey guys, so I went ahead and blended out Josh. I am loving this shade. I'm not even kidding. This shade is so freaking pretty on me. We got some fallout here, but it's okay. The next shade that I'm gonna jump into is called Platforms, which is that blue that I went ahead and showed you guys. Now this shade has so much fallout, it's not even funny. So I'm gonna just add Platforms right into my crease. Same over here. I'm just gonna lay this down really easily because there's so much fallout and so much shadow on the brush. So what I'm gonna do is take the first brush that I used with Josh and go ahead and blend it out from here. Just so the two colors can not really fuse together, but so you can blend them really nicely as much as you can. So that is the job right now. I'm kind of blending out Platforms into Josh. I think these two colors are really good. They're so extra. But I promise you guys, we are. Okay, so I'm back. I blended out Platforms and Josh really well together. I'm kind of going for this cute little galactic look. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, so the next shade that I'm gonna take is Thai. Can't remember if I swatched it or not, but there it is. And I'm just gonna place that on my lid. Thai right there. Kind of acting as a half cut crease. And do the same to my other eye. Okay guys, so I went ahead and made my half cut crease with the shade Thai. Now I'm going to place one of these glitter shades on top of Thai, and it's going to be the shade called Beverly Hills. It's so pretty. Okay. I'm going to take that and I'm going to place it right on top of Thai. So freaking pretty. I'm just going to pat it on. Continue placing Beverly Hills on top of Thai. Don't even know my father. Hey guys, I am back. I'm all done. I love this palette. This palette lived up to exactly what I thought. I am so freaking excited. Let's go ahead and jump right in and just recap this palette real quick. Again, we did have a problem with Mr. Hall down here. Really sad about that, but you guys, the pigment of this palette is no fucking joke. I just think this looks bomb. I don't even care. I just think it looks amazing. Nothing fused together. I was skeptical. I'm not even gonna lie. I was skeptical just because of the brand. I don't really know them or anything about them or anything like that. So I was skeptical. I was like, oh my gosh, I bet these colors are gonna fuse together. I bet it's gonna look horrible. But it didn't. It came out really, really nice and really, really fitting. There was some fallout, but nothing as bad as any other palettes that I've tried. And then on the outer corner, I did add RSVP, which is this hot pink shade down here. I was just like, I really want to see what it can do. And it just looks so freaking stunning. I love it. This is one of my favorite movies. I'm glad that they came out with this palette. I will be using this palette again and again and a fucking again. You know why? Because as if. Now, if you guys, you know, don't like all the bold colors, there are some really, really neutral colors in here, as well as some really cool metallics, and I think you could get away with it, like if you just wanted more of a neutral look. I mean, you've got Amber, As If, Full On Monet, Makeover, and just a few others that you can play with if you're not like one of those people. Okay guys, so one thing that I was disappointed with this palette is the fact that they had no yellow, because I feel like, you know, it just would have went perfect with the theme and everything that the movie just kind of like, I don't know, it entails. I just really wish they used that yellow. Now I know that the packaging is yellow, it has like a lot of yellow on the packaging, but I would have loved to seen a actual yellow shade. But I understand, I totally get it. Okay, and now for my lashes today, you guys, I use the Bellamar Beauty lashes. I will have her name right up here on the screen. Definitely check her out. Definitely go to her website, order some lashes. I'm feeling these. These are really, really stunning, by the way. Like super stunning. And then for the lips, I use my Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Liquid Lipstick in the shade 90210. I thought it went perfect with, you know, the whole thing and everything like that. So that's pretty much it, ladies and gents. Stick around for the reveal.